here we are very excited about sharing with you some of the awesome secrets way that we keep ourselves happy, healthy, terrific, and looking fabulous inside and out. Rosie, what are we doing today?
Well, we're talking about how to eat and what to eat and do eat.
And when to eat it.
And when to eat it. All of you definitely should be eating breakfast. Please, please, please make that part of your eating routine, because if you choose to eliminate breakfast, what do you think happens to your blood sugar levels? It goes way down, and then when you put something in your mouth, it'll go way up. Especially what you put in your mouth will be more carbs than protein, because that's usually our diet.
Exactly.
Here. So eat breakfast, okay? Also, another rule to put into your life and to make as a good rule is sit down when you eat. Don't eat on the run. Okay, how many times that have we only have 5 minutes to eat because we're in between our work or doing another chore in our home, and we take something and we shovel it in our mouth and we're off to the next event.
No good.
Not good at all. Make it a ritual. Make it a happening in your life. You will find that you'll eat less if you do that, and you'll enjoy it more, so you'll get the serotonin effect, the satisfying effect. Okay? And also dinner. Sit down, make it where the family eats together, even if sometimes you have to serve something early, but sit down with your husband if he comes home. Make sure that it makes an event in your life. Now, let's go back to Josefina and let's find out what she eats in order to look like this. So tell us, give us the secrets.
I scared you. Well, I live on sweet potato, because one of the things that I discovered with your help is, and this is one of the things we're going to be sharing with you, is how to discover what works for you. For instance, I cannot have a bowl of cereal for breakfast. I have to have my protein, which is based on egg whites and a whole egg, and then I have a carb. It can be oatmeal, it can be grits, or it can be sweet potato. So I make sometimes my egg with my 3 ounces of sweet potato, and there I go.
Again, remember that she isn't eating the typical what we're supposed to eat for breakfast, what's told to us to eat for breakfast, cereal, bagels, whatever.
Right.
She's choosing foods that she enjoys. And so what if it's breakfast and you're eating a sweet potato?
Exactly. And because I found what works for me.
Right.
It's like you always talk about that, the diet, and people follow somebody else's diet. Well, that doesn't work for you for a little while, but then it goes out of the window because it doesn't match your body chemistry, your lifestyle. So my food intake is based on my lifestyle.
Okay, so
you
snack at all?
Yes, of course. Oh my God. I have my breakfast, and I have a snack about 10 o'clock, and then I have my lunch, and then I have a snack, and then I have my dinner, and then I have a snack. But everything you said, I have my protein and my carb and my protein and my carbs. And then usually what I do, I don't eat complex carb like this late in the afternoon, like about after 4. But the reason I do that, and you don't have to apply that, you can take some of that and adjust it to your lifestyle, is because I like fitness and I like bodybuilding, and that's the way bodybuilders eat. So everything is based on your lifestyle. So that's what I have to have. Every 2.5 hours, I have something to eat, which also helped me immensely with my weight, and I'm never hungry.
Absolutely.
Because I'm always
But you're making the right choices every 2 hours and 3 hours. That's what my husband's so thin, and he eats, because he eats every 2 hours, and he eats the right proportion, the right choices.
That's the way. Thank you.
That's the Josefina way.
Yes.